Alright, this is just a brief introduction to my oscilloscope I made after work today because I was bored. So, here we go. Okay, here we have my homemade oscilloscope set to A Change of Seasons by Dream Theater. It's just very cool to watch. Alright, here we have the power source, the audio source, which is just the CD player, which goes to audio out to the TV here and the speaker here. Okay, the speaker. And then around the back, okay, on the outside, we have the vertical in from the board, okay, coming to the horizontal deflector assembly nodes, okay, and the vertical deflector assembly nodes go out to the audio or your power source. So it's actually quite a simple thing to do. Hardest part was actually figuring out how to take off the goddamn cowling. But fun stuff. And just on a quick side note, I did shock myself twice and set off the smoke alarm once while doing this, so just be careful. It's cool, but if you kill yourself, don't blame me.